Now we're going to use the arpeggiator to re-trigger different drum sounds inside a rhythm kit. But first, we have to make another rhythm kit. So in mixer mode, press patch list, select rhythm, and select a drum kit. So now we have two rhythm kits at the same time, one on the pads and one on the keys. So I'm going to start a built-in rhythm pattern here on the pads. And on the keys, I'm using the arpeggiator. Now, depending on what note I hit, I get different variations of the loop. I can hold that, turn on the filter, and manipulate the filter in real time. Press stop, hit skip back, and I've captured an entirely new audio loop.